Hi everybody, in this video I will teach timing and spacing principle. The timing determines how fast or slow an action occurs and is essential for conveying the way, speed, and impact of movements. It is a great effect on conveying emotion as well. For instance, a fast movement can help to show surprising or tension, and a slow movement can help to show relaxation. But about spacing, how to divide the spaces? This dividing can be changed, so this change can make more accurate timing. As a result, more real and smooth animation will be created. By the spacing principle is specified how the object's speed during the pass changes. For instance, the ball movement from 1 to 2 seconds. The keyframes are linear, so equal spaces are created. As a result, the object moves with a constant speed. Now I change keyframes to easy ease. As you see, the spaces are not equal. Now more keyframes are seen in the beginning and end of path. And in the middle of path, the space's distance increases because of increasing speed. Now go to Graph Editor and change graph. As you see, by increasing speed, spacing gets more further. And by decreasing speed, the spacing gets closer. For instance, hitting the ball to the ground and move up. The maximum speed is for hitting the ground, so the spacing gets more apart each other in this region. If I use a light ball, this spacing will create. And if I use a more heavy ball, this spacing is changed. The important point is that timing is constant and only spacing change, and I can show way by the spacing change.